What's up guys, and welcome to another Ethereum update video. In this one, we're going to be looking at where the price of Ethereum could be going in the short to medium term. Now, obviously, we're not going to be making use of a crystal ball, but we'll be diving straight into the charts to see what information we can get using technical analysis. Let's get it, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Postman channel. This is your one-stop shop for all the news and all the juice that has to do with crypto and the entire blockchain industry. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you are missing out on a lot of information that can help you make better moves in the market. So be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you know when next we post. And without further ado, let's get into the video of the day. Where is the price of Ethereum going in the next few days, maybe even weeks? Now, we know that we appear to be in the middle of an uptrend, with some people already saying that a bull cycle has resumed. But where is this price actually going to be in the next few days or maybe even weeks, especially as we've begun to see a retracement in terms of price action? Let's dive straight into the charts and find out what we can learn from that. So the first thing that we're going to notice is, by the way, this is the 4-hourly chart. Obviously, this is the 4-hour. So the first thing that we're going to notice is that there is an uptrending line of support right here. I hope I got that right. Okay, so there's an uptrending line of support right here. And as you can see, if we extend this, that's somewhere along, where we are currently experiencing some support. Trying to see, do we bounce off the line? Do we break beneath it? But, let's just ignore that for just 1 second and see what else we can see. So the first thing we notice is that there's an uptrending line of support, which is very evident. But if we are going to look at the last impulsive wave to the upside, we want to find out if this wave is finished. That will help us determine, if we can assume that this line will be broken or not. So let's count. If this is the start of the wave, we would count this would be the wave 1, this would be the wave 2, and this will definitely be the wave 3, in my opinion. So that means that we are yet to see a wave 4 retracement, and then we'll get a 5 to the upside before we can see any substantial retracement to the downside. Now, obviously, you can choose to count this wave count. You can choose to move your 0 point to somewhere here and make the count. I mean, that's entirely up to you, right? But I think it will be, let me just place this back here because that's where I started my count from. I think it would be naive to assume that this is going to bounce right off of this trend line and go back up. So I think that we are in a wave 4, all right? But if we are going to do a little bit of micro counting, we would see, sorry about that, get the ABC. We could see something along the lines of this would be an A wave, right? This would be the A wave. The B wave could retest this, and then we could see a stronger C wave to the downside that brings us into the 1700 region. Maybe that's a bit much, but I think that for this wave 4 to be complete, we would take this point, which is the low, or which is the high of the wave 3. We could take the high of the wave 3 right here, and we could take the low of the wave 1 right here. So we could see this particular, if we take this as the region that this particular wave 4 could finish. We could also drag this down and say, okay, we'll take the high of the wave 1 and the low of the wave 2, right? The high of the wave 1 and the low of the wave 2. So this would be the high of the wave 1 and this would be the low of the wave 2 as the region where the wave 4 is going to finish, right? So we could see this retracement bounce off of this line, this particular one that we are in right now. We could see this retracement bounce off of the top of this region right here, go up to retest this trend line and then come back in. But if you are doing if you're going to trade this retracement, it may be wise for you to start getting back in. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I would do. It will be wise for you to start buying back in once we are in this region from 1840 down to 1700, right? Because I would expect that after this, we would see a strong move, an impulsive move, maybe. We could definitely an impulsive move, not a maybe, definitely. That's barring any fundamental news. We would see a wave 5 to the upside that could go like 1, 2, 3, and we could see a 4 before we'll see a small wave 5. I think the wave 5 will be small. I do not expect this wave 5 to get past the 2,500 level. Now, if we want to pull out and see what that looks like, let's look at the daily charts. Now, I do not expect that we will get past this level, right? I'll just draw that trend line so that you can see that. I do not expect that in this particular uptrend, we are going to get past this level. This is a very strong region, as we can see, a very strong region. And I don't expect, if we go past this level, I will actually flip and start being in support of a bullish scenario, a long-term bullish scenario, that we may have actually restarted the bull cycle. But let's just go back to the 4 hourly. I'm not a day trader, so I wouldn't really go down to the 1 hour or to the, sorry about that, or to 30-minute charts. I just think that this is ideal to know what's going on in the short and the medium term. So I think that we have completed this 5. We have not yet completed this 5. We've moved to the upside. So if I'm going to change this, I will just change this to, this will be the end of the wave 4. Somewhere within this box will mark the end of the wave 4. And then we'll definitely get a 5 to the upside right here. So this is what we think the price could be leading up to the month of May and possibly into the middle of June. We could definitely see more of a move to the upside, but that's just our opinion. Again, it's not financial advice. You do your own research, do your own analysis, and let's know what you think. Do you think that this uptrend is finished? Do you think that we are about to go down below 900 again for Ethereum and below 15,000, 14,000 for Bitcoin? But this is an Ethereum video, so do you think that we are going all the way down or that we are about to resume the uptrend? Let's know what you think in the comments down below. And of course, we are open to learning and to sharing with you. But before we go, remember, if you're yet to subscribe, smash that subscribe button so that you can continue to see more of these update videos. And I will see you in the next video very shortly. Be blessed.